Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to define shortcuts in Microsoft Word. So shortcuts are extremely important to make your work much faster because it gives you the option to use the keyboard more efficiently. You can define shortcuts from the File menu, Options, Customize ribbon, Customize here, Shortcuts, and in this menu you can define the shortcuts that you want. You can find all the functions that exist in Microsoft Word in this menu here. I usually use the All Command menu because it lists all the different functions that I am looking for. So you select one of the options that you want to add the shortcut to, and then in here you define the shortcut and then you press enter. One of the most useful shortcuts is for styling. So in this part you type style and this appears there. So here I have already defined Ctrl+Shift+S for my style. Now imagine I didn't have that, so I remove it, and in here I press Ctrl+Shift and S all together, and then I press enter. It will go to the current keys, and then in here I click on close, okay, and then OK again. So when I press Ctrl+Shift+S, this window appears, which is the styling part. To define different styles, so for example different formattings like heading 1, 2, or having body text as your formatting style, if you want to add shortcut to it, you need to go to the same menu. So again, File, Options, Customize ribbon, Customize, and in here you go and find Styles. And in here you see the list of styles that are used in the current document. So if you want to add a shortcut to, for example, body text style, then you need to have that style already in your document to have it listed in here. So let me go and change one of the lines to body text. So for example, this line that I have there, I press Ctrl+Shift+S. I see the menu and then I type body text and then I select it and I click on apply. Okay, now this is body text. As you can see, it is listed there. I go again to File, Options, Customize ribbon, Customize shortcuts. In here I type styles and now we see body text in there. Okay, as you can see, I have already assigned Ctrl+Shift+B to that style, but if you wanted to add anything, basically you press that button there with the combination that you want and then press enter, and then that combination will be assigned as shortcut to that specific style. I say okay, okay, and in here, for example, if I didn't have body text as my style there, when I press Ctrl+Shift+B, it will automatically be converted to body text. So again, if you pay attention there, it is normal now. I press Ctrl+Shift+B and it will be converted to body text. I have also assigned Ctrl+Shift+F to clear formatting. So I press Ctrl+Shift+F to create clear formatting and it goes to the normal again. So now I will go through a few important shortcuts that I found very helpful. One of the most important ones is clear formatting. So again, I go to Customize ribbon and then Customize, and I go to the All Commands there, and in here the Clear All formatting is Clear All formatting. So this is the command that you need to look for, Clear All formatting. I have already assigned Ctrl+Shift+F to it. The other one, which is very important, is to toggle track change, which is actually already defined by Microsoft Word, so you don't need to be worried about it, but that is Control-Shift-E. So the first time you press it, it will turn on the track change. The second time you press it, it will turn off track change. So I can show it to you now how it works. So I say okay. This is the icon for track change. If you want to see it in the ribbon, it is basically in the review section. That is track change. So now when I press Ctrl-Shift-E, the track change will be turned on, which indicates that whatever I type, it will track the changes. So here, for example, I say this is a change, and as you can see, it is red, and also this indicator here shows that something has changed in that specific line. And this text is not red, it is just red to show that it has been changed. So for example, if I go to the print menu, it is red now, but if I say do not print the markup, that will be shown as black. So that is the color that will be actually printed with. So this is just to show that it is tracked. Okay, another important shortcut is to create comments. So that is called insert annotation, and I have assigned Ctrl-Shift-C, like standing for comment in here. So basically when you press Ctrl-Shift-E, you will see a bubble or balloon actually on the right hand side of your screen, which gives you the option to add comment. So here I press Ctrl-Shift-C, and you see that comment there. So time and my name, so I say this is a comment. Okay, and if you are already on a comment and then you press Ctrl-Shift-C, you can respond to that specific comment. So here you can see that my name is a little bit indented, which shows that this comment here is in response to the previous comment. So if you receive a document from somebody and then if you want to respond to their comments, you can simply put the cursor there. You can just click there and then press Ctrl-Shift-C to add a comment there, which is in response to that specific comment. Okay, and then if you in here click right click and then say delete comment, it will delete both the main comment and the response to the comment. Okay, so let me now add the comment in here. The other important shortcut is to delete comments. So you might receive a lot of comments, for example, from your supervisor or your colleague, and then if you want to right click and click on delete, it will take a lot of time. So the command to delete comment is delete annotation, and I have already selected Ctrl-Shift-D, standing for delete, to delete the annotations. So I have it there now. I say okay, and when I am on the comment, when I press Ctrl-Shift-D, it basically deletes the comment. The other important short key is accept changes and proceed. So I go to same menu again, and in here it is accept changes and advance. So it is I assigned Ctrl-Shift-A to that, so that is like standing for accept. So let me show you how it works. So in here, when I press Ctrl-Shift-A to accept the change, it basically accepts change 1 there, and then it will automatically go to the next change. And as you can see, if I press Ctrl-Shift-A again, it will go to the next change, and again and again. And in here it says that there is no track change left in your document. And of course, if I have, for example, a comment, this is a sample comment, it will also go to comments as well. So when I accept this one, it will automatically proceed to the comment that I have there. And of course, Ctrl+Shift+A doesn't work here because this is not a change, but as you already have Ctrl+Shift+D to delete the comment, I can say Ctrl+Shift+D to delete the comment, and then Ctrl+Shift+A. You delete it, and then if you want to go to the next one, you need to specify another shortcut, which is next comment or next change. You can go to File again, Options, Customize ribbon, Customize, and in here all comments, and then in here it is next change or comment. I have already assigned Ctrl+Shift+N to do that. So in here, when I press Ctrl+Shift+N, it will automatically go to the next change that I have. So if I have, for example, all these changes, when I press Ctrl+Shift+N, it will go through the changes one by one. The other important shortcut is word count. This is actually something that you need to use quite often. You can see the number of words in the bottom of your document, and if you select text, it will also give you the word count for that specific text, but it is not always accurate. So for example, if you have footnotes or if you have citations, this word count is not accurate anymore. So you need to use the actual word count menu for Word. You can specify a shortcut for it. So, customize ribbon, customize. In here you go to all commands, you go to tools, word count. And in here you can assign, for example, Ctrl+Shift+G to do that for you. And that is the menu that you need. Now a couple of shortcuts that are actually carried over from the previous versions of Office. So one which is very useful is for paragraph formatting. It is Alt-O and then P. It will bring up the paragraph formatting. Of course, you can also define a shortcut for that. I have not done it for my Word here because, well, I basically remember that it is Alt-O-P and it's very quick. Okay, the other shortcut that is quite helpful is Control right square bracket to increase the font size and Control left square bracket to decrease font size. Okay, and that is the end of this video for defining shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Thank you.